Hi, welcome you back. During this lecture, we will discuss about engine components and their functions. So, in internal combustion engine, the main components are first one is engine cylinder. So, engine cylinder is like a one vertical container which is fitted with piston. So this cylinder guides the piston for its reciprocating motion. This cylinder is generally made up of from cast iron. So this is one of the main component of the engine, that is engine cylinder. Next is cylinder head. Now this cylinder head is also called as cylinder cover, that is one end of the cylinder, that is top end of the cylinder is closed by means of cylinder head. This cylinder head provides the space for accommodation of inlet valve, accommodation of exhaust valve, and again give some space for the accommodation of spark plug in case of VESA engine, and accommodation of fuel injector in case of CI engine. Next component is piston. Now this piston is also called as heart of the engine. Piston reciprocate inside the cylinder and the piston transmit whatever the expansion force of the gases to the connecting rod. In engine cylinder, as the combustion of fuel takes place, these combustible gases try to expand, and that expansion force is directly exerted over the piston. Due to that expansion force, piston get reciprocate, and that expansion force is transferred to the connecting rod with the help of piston. Hence this piston is called as heart of the engine. Next component is piston rings. So there are two types of piston rings used in an engine. First is called as pressure rings and second is called as oil rings. So the pressure rings are always located at top and oil rings are located at just below the pressure rings. So these rings, that is piston rings, create a airtight seal between piston and cylinder walls, and also it transfer the heat from the piston to the cylinder walls. So the pressure rings over the pressure ring, always there is a pressure exerted during the suction stroke, during the compression stroke, during the expansion stroke, or during the power stroke. Hence these rings are called as pressure rings. These rings avoid the entry of combustible gases into the crankcase, always makes a airtight connection between the piston and cylinder. Second ring is called as oil ring, which is located just below the pressure ring. These rings avoids the entry of lubricating oil into the combustion chamber. Hence it is also called as oil rings. Next engine component is connecting rod. So this connecting rod connects piston and crank. That is, one end of this connecting rod is connected to the piston through the gudgeon pin, while the other end is connected to the crank through the crank pin. So the function of this connecting rod is only transfer the force of piston to the connecting rod. It is generally made up of cast iron, So this connecting rod only transfer whatever the piston force to the crank. Next component is crank. So this crank, it is a lever between the connecting rod and crankshaft. This crank converts this reciprocating motion of piston into the rotary motion. Next, crankshaft. The function of this crankshaft is to transform a reciprocating motion into the rotary motion, or this crankshaft is also called as output shaft, where we get output from the engine. Next is a flywheel. Flywheel is a rotating mass which is used as an energy storing device. In a flywheel, energy is stored during power stroke, and that energy is released during the remaining strokes, that is suction stroke, compression stroke and exhaust stroke. Next component is crankcase. The crankcase is nothing but what covering to the crank or crankshaft. It supports and cover the cylinder and crankshaft. It also stores the lubricating oil, hence it is also called as lubricating oil sump. Next engine component is engine valves. So there are two types of valves, that is inlet valve and exhaust valve. So this inlet valve is used for admitting the air fuel mixture, and exhaust valve is used for removing the products of combustion from cylinder. So these are the main components of engine cylinder and their function. Now next is engine terminology or nomenclature of engine. So in engine terminology, first one is bore. The bore means the inside diameter of the cylinder is called as bore. Next terminology is stroke. Stroke is nothing but the linear distance along the cylinder axis between the two limiting positions of the piston is called as stroke. That is the distance between top dead center to bottom dead center is called as stroke or stroke length of cylinder. Next is top dead center, that is TDC. The topmost position of piston towards the cover or cylinder head is called as a top dead center. In case of horizontal engine, it is called as inner dead center, or the top dead center means the farmost distance of piston from the crankshaft. It is called as TDC position. Next, bottom dead center, the lowest position of the piston towards the crank end inside the cylinder is called as bottom dead center, or it is shortest distance of piston from the crankshaft inside cylinder is called as bottom dead center. In case of horizontal engine, it is called as outer dead center, that is ODC. Next, clearance volume. The volume contained in the cylinder above the top of the piston when the piston is at top dead center is called as clearance volume. So this always some amount clearance or clearance volume is provided inside engine cylinder for the accommodation of valves, that is for opening and closing of inlet valve, outlet valve. Again, some space is required for the accommodation of spark plug or fuel injector. Again, to avoid the striking of piston to the cylinder head and for the accommodation of these valves, always some amount clearance is provided. Next, stroke volume. So whatever the volume swept by the piston during one stroke, that is from TDC to BDC, that volume is called as stroke volume. Next, compression ratio. So it is a ratio of total cylinder volume to clearance volume. Now this total cylinder volume means clearance volume plus stroke volume. So addition of these two volumes is called as total cylinder volume to clearance volume. That ratio is called as compression ratio of engine. So this is main terminology of engine. Thank you.